Let's create this high-end 3D text behind subject sports poster completely from scratch in Canva in under 2 minutes. First, bring in your main background. Make an exact duplicate of your background. Now, watch my cursor. We take this duplicate over to the effects panel, right to the background remover. By the way, if you don't have Canva Pro, click the info card popping up on your screen right now to watch my step-by-step video on how to remove any background in Canva completely for free like a pro. Once that is ready, adjust your cutout perfectly over the original image. Next, let's add our text. Type out the word player, change the font style, and scale the size way up. To get that premium editorial layout, adjust your letter spacing to spread the text beautifully across the canvas. Now go to positions, grab your text layer and drop it down so it sits right behind your front cutout image. To make that text absolutely scream for attention on mobile screens, change the font color to a vibrant color. Now head into effects and select drop and customize the drop shadow color to give it massive contrast and epic 3D depth against the background. Increase the offset and transparency. And just like that, you have a world-class sports graphic design entirely from scratch. If you want to master more advanced Canva graphic design techniques and land international clients, smash that subscribe button. See you in the next one.